Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Pioneer 8 SHALOW 700W Slim Box and WOOF 700W Max 250W RMS. This powerful subwoofer features a 2-ohm single-voice coil, rubber surround, and a fully covered steel mesh grille, giving you deep powerful bass without sacrificing on space. The carpeted enclosure with embroidered logo not only looks great, but also helps to reduce vibrations and resonances, giving you cleaner and more defined bass. Whether you're a car audio enthusiast or just someone who loves to feel the music, this subwoofer is a must-have for your sound system. And the best part? You can easily add this subwoofer to your setup with the included wiring and installation accessories. So go ahead and click the link in the description to grab your Pioneer 8 SHALOW 700W Slim Box and WOOF 700W Max 250W RMS subwoofer today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and audio gear recommendations. Thanks for watching.